Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family, as we continue on the Jimmy Cliff journey. As you all know, or as most of you should know, The Harder They Come, the gigantic major film production that was released in 1972. Not only the movie was huge, but the soundtrack itself has a lot of blockbuster tunes from Toots and the Maytals. You know, tunes as Walking down the road with your ratchet in your waist. Johnny, you're too bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's the first. Hey, you know what I mean? Tunes like them, you know what I mean? Some I walk, some I Desmond Decker. Some I walk, some I loot them. A Shanty Town. Oh my God. That's and by the rivers of Babylon. All those tunes is on the Harder They Come soundtrack. If you never witness the vibe from that album, you need to go and stream it or purchase it, however you get your music. But anyway, one of the massive tunes, apart from you can get it if you really want, from such a massive album and soundtrack, as I would like to say. Oh my gosh, this tune is a tune that every time it plays, it makes I'm gonna personally speak about myself. I'm not gonna speak for anybody else, but me personally, when I every time I hear this song, it puts me in a place of concentration because, as you all know, in this journey of life, we have so many obstacles. We have so many things that can come in our way. It's almost similar to you can get it if you really want to know, but this message is telling you that in this life, things are not going to be easy. And the way that Jimmy expressed the lyrics vocally and harmonically, I'm telling you feel it. And especially if you're one that have went through things in life, it's a highly relatable tune, right? And we're gonna get into it because I'm telling you, it's a tune that we all can relate to. Sometimes we wonder if we're gonna make it to the next day, but we know that once we give our heart to the Almighty, once we pray, there's no delay, right? And many might have a boss, but in this life, it's a task because there's many rivers to what?
Many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my way over. Wandering, I am lost as I travel along wide cliffs of Dover. Many rivers to cross, and it's only my will that keeps me alive. I've been licked, washed up for years, and I merely survive because of my pride. But loneliness won't leave me alone. It's such a drag to be on your own. My woman left and she didn't say why. Well, I guess I have to cry. Many rivers to cross, but just where to begin?
Those background vocals, man, it just sends goosebumps to your skin. It adds more intensity to the feeling of the vibe. Anyway,
I'm playing for time.
gosh. My gosh. There's nothing much to say, but, you know, my tribute I will continue to pay. The lyrics goes as such: many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my way over. Wondering I am lost as I travel along the white cliffs of Dover. Many rivers to cross, and it's only my will that keeps me alive. I've been licked, washed up for years, and I merely survive because of my pride. And this loneliness won't leave me alone. It's such a drag to be on your own. My woman left me and she didn't say why. Well, I guess I have to try. Many rivers to cross, but just where to begin. I'm playing for time. There are times I find myself thinking of committing some dreadful crime. Yes, I've got many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my way over. Yes, yes, many trials we must face and we will face and bear, but the Lord will take care. You hear? All right. So that's it for now as far as the Jimmy Cliff tribute is concerned, or I should say, Jimmy Cliff dedication. Okay? Yes, because that man makes good music equivalent to good medication. So continue to vibe on the Solid Rock radio station. Okay? Big up all of the Solid Nation. Yeah, so we're going to keep it moving and keep it grooving. We're going to keep it rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Like, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we continue to keep real music alive. Okay? And always remember that in life there will be many rivers to cross, but there's a bigger boss that will take care of what is lost. Okay? Yeah. As we continue on the solid journey. Yeah.